हेलो एवरीवन। ओह माय गॉड, जमाना हो गया यहाँ पे आके। आई नो इट्स बिन सो लॉन्ग, आई कैन नॉट इवन से वेलकम बैक। आई हैव टू से दैट टू माई सेल्फ, वेलकम बैक। एनीवे, जोक्स अपार्ट, it feels so good to be back here. It's 29th of April. रात के कुछ 11:15 बज रहे हैं and here I am with the mess. बस मैं पैकिंग करने ही वाली हूँ, तो मैंने सोचा कि let me just take you through the whole journey of how to pack for a Ryanair flight. मेरे लिए ये फर्स्ट टाइम है. I have never traveled with Ryanair ever before. और ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है of that one piece of luggage that has to be proper dimension of whatever they have, ये सब मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा नया है. So it was challenging but at the same time exciting as well because I just can't wait to travel. तो मेरी flight है at 7:15, so in just few hours. तो मैं आज रात को तो सोने वाली हूँ नहीं because I am traveling after a very long time and the excitement is real. So without wasting any time, let me just show you कि if you are planning a trip with Ryanair and अगर आपको upgrade नहीं करना है, if you don't want to pay extra for the baggage, this is what you go through. And let not this bag fool you. ये बैग का इस ट्रिप के साथ कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है. This is an unpaid actor. इसमें कुछ कपड़े थे जो मुझे लेने थे. So this is the mess. I'm gonna quickly show the bag that you would need if at all you want to travel in the free or the cheapest category in Ryanair. So this is the bag. Can you believe it? This is the bag जिसमें मुझे पैकिंग करना है. इतने सारे कपड़े of course I can't take and I'm gonna select whichever I want, but this is the bag that properly fits into the dimension of 40 into 20 to 25 centimeters. So Ryanair is very popular to offer you some of the cheapest flight. I have booked my flight for £28 and it's not one way, by the way, it's a return. £28 is such a steal, but with that steal comes a lot of stress, and especially the stress of packing everything in this kind of bag. So I was looking for a lot of options while buying the bag. Amazon पे है, Sports Direct में भी है, all that stuff. But then I bought this bag from Miniso just a couple of months ago when I was not even thinking of traveling anywhere. I just bought this bag because it looks nice and looks like that purchase has turned out to be a blessing in disguise for me because यही एक सहारा है मेरे पास में to pack whatever I think that I have to take. Let's get started. Here, Primark. टूर पे जाने के पहले अगर आपने प्राइमार्क से शॉपिंग नहीं की तो are you even going on a vacation? Because mandatory buys from Primark.
So I have fast forwarded these shots, but as I sort through my clothes and packed my bag for this trip, I can't help but reflect on how this trip is teaching me the art of packing light, a skill I have always taken for granted.
So finally ये सब select किया है मैंने. Something like this. Umbrella is a must. ये मैंने डबलिन का वेदर चेक किया है. It is raining tomorrow. तो yeah, नाइट सूट एंड ये कुछ एक्स्ट्रा एक्सेसरीज. एक लेदर जैकेट. लेट्स सी कि इस बैग में कितना आ सकता है. जीन्स को मैंने ऑफकोर्स इस तरीके से रोल कर लिया है, सो आई थिंक दिस शुडंट बी अ प्रॉब्लम. लेट्स सी. ओके, सो द अपडेट इज कि ऑलमोस्ट मैंने सब कुछ फिट कर लिया है इसके अंदर. मुझे ये जो पाउच है जिसमें I'm gonna keep all my skincare and toiletries. ये तो खैर I think fit तो हो जाना चाहिए, हो रहा है, but इसमें कितना सामान fit होगा अब देखते हैं. So before we pack that pouch, let me first put all my important stuff in my handbag. Along with this, you can of course take a small bag with you. So I'm gonna take my Steve Madden with me and let's start packing this one. First and the most important is passport. Next thing on the list is my card holder that has all my cards in it. So Ireland is a country that has euro as a currency and not everywhere they accept pounds, and that's why मैंने कैश लिया हुआ है. I've taken a card as well. मैंने आधे पैसे कार्ड में डाले हुए हैं, but just public transport वगैरह के लिए I've just taken 20 euros cash, and बाकी का पैसा मैंने कार्ड में डाल दिया हुआ है.
So मैंने मल्टी करेंसी कैश कार्ड बनाया and I put 80 euros in that, and it really made very easy to manage my money while I was traveling.
My new Fermo shades are definitely going with me. I'm taking my hand tripod with me. इसमें तो ये of course आएगा नहीं. This will go in this bag.
Okay, तो उसके बाद मैं ज़्यादा शूट नहीं कर पाई because I had to eat, I was very hungry and I had to book tickets for some of the tours that I had planned to do in Dublin. But I do have this small clip that just shows कि कैसे मैंने mini pouches लिए हुए हैं, because for liquid you can't cross the limit of 100 ml.
So that is technically everything that I'm taking along with me for my trip to Dublin. That is for 2 nights and 3 days.
And क्योंकि मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही थी, मैंने सुबह के 3 बजे कैब बुक की, left my home, and within 20 minutes I was at Leeds Bradford Airport. Much to my surprise, as I stepped into the airport, I was taken aback by the sheer number of people bustling around. You see, airlines often offer unbelievably low fares for those willing to wake up before the crack of dawn. Thankfully, I had done my web check-in, which meant I could breeze through most of the airport formalities. With my boarding pass in hand, I made my way to the baggage check counter, secretly hoping that my meticulously packed bag would pass the scrutiny. और खुशी की बात यह है कि हम successfully pass हो गए.
मुझे 5:15 तक यहाँ पहुँचना था, बट मैं पहुँच गई हूँ सुबह 4 बजे यहाँ पर.
1 hour later.
And now I'm in the lounge just waiting for my gate, क्योंकि 7:15 की फ़्लाइट है तो 6:15 तक गेट का अनाउंसमेंट होगा, और अभी से 5 ही बज रहे हैं तो मुझे 1 घंटा वेट करना है बेसिकली. So what is the best thing you do while waiting? You of course go to duty free and do unnecessary window shopping. खरीदना तो कुछ है नहीं मुझे, because of course space ही नहीं है बैग में. And I was actually thinking कि मेरा बैग सक्सेसफुली पैक तो हो गया है, बट of course I plan to do some shopping in Dublin. तो वो सामान जो मैं खरीदूँगी, how I'm gonna fit in this, I don't know, but वो जब वक्त आएगा तब देखा जाएगा.
But before going anywhere, I witnessed one of the most gorgeous sunrises ever. I mean, just look at this. Okay, now let's talk about Leeds Bradford Airport, a major international airport. It surely is not among the largest in the UK, but it certainly has a rich history and some fascinating facts that often go unnoticed. Like, this airport was opened way back in 1931, making it one of the oldest operating airports in the country. One lesser known fact about Leeds Bradford Airport is that it played a crucial role during the World War II. In the more recent times, the airport has undergone significant expansion and modernization, thereby connecting Yorkshire to various corners of the world. And just like that, I reached gate number 6, all set for my flight. After all, this little blue book is my ticket to adventure that awaits me. Speaking of adventure, look at that Ryanair plane waiting for us on the tarmac. That's a Boeing 737-800, a narrow-body jet that can seat up to 189 passengers. And since my seat was towards the back, I boarded from the rear door. Flight में इतने सारे लोगों को देख के खुशी तो हुई, लेकिन इस बात का दुख था कि विंडो सीट नहीं मिली. वो रही मेरी सीट right in the middle, क्योंकि मुझे एक्स्ट्रा पैसे पे नहीं करने थे. And finally, after a smooth 60 minutes flight, I have landed in the land of Emerald Isle. Ireland it is, and this is Dublin Airport. Did you know that Dublin Airport is one of the oldest civilian airports in the world? It first opened in 1940 and has been serving as Ireland's main international airport ever since. Immigration process भी जल्दी पूरी हो गई and I quickly changed my outfit. Okay, अब एक बात याद रखना. To reach the city from the airport, you will have to take the bus. अगर ऑनलाइन बुक करते हो तो सिर्फ 8 यूरो का खर्चा आएगा, लेकिन अगर काउंटर पे बुक करते हो तो 10 यूरोस देने पड़ेंगे. This is my face after paying 2 extra euros because I didn't book the tickets online. Anyway, the coaches are comfortable and it departs every 20 minutes from the airport. And what better way to start my Irish adventure with some quintessential Dublin weather. So that was part 1 for you guys. Part 2 और भी ज़्यादा exciting होने वाला है. So if you like this video, hit that like button, comment down, share it and subscribe to Unadvised Traveler. See you in the next video.